Hey folks, Ash here from Siren Training. Hope you are well. So, as you've gathered by the sunnies, we are experiencing and expecting a heat wave. Now, there's something very British about complaining about the weather, whether it's too hot or too cold. So first and foremost, enjoy the sun. There's two things that we want to watch out for, because we've got to be a bit responsible here. The first one is simple heat exhaustion. We start to feel too hot, we feel quite groggy, there's a lack of energy, we may experience a slight headache and an extreme thirst because the brain is telling us we're too hot and it's sending a signal to the sweat glands to open so that we can cool down. Take a break, relax, cool down, rehydrate. Electrolyte fluids, something like Lucozade Sports, they're the best thing to rehydrate. If we ignore the body's warning signs or its prolonged exposure to extreme heat, then something called heat stroke might set in. That's far worse. Our body temperature can creep up to the point where the brain is too hot and can't send these signals to the sweat glands to open. So the temperature creeps up, we're unable to sweat, we're very, very hot and dry to the touch, often accompanied by a splitting headache, feeling of nausea, sometimes vomiting, even delirium. If this is the case, we need to bring the body temperature down and fast, but make sure you receive medical attention. Heat exhaustion, too hot, sweating a lot, rehydrate, cool down. Far too hot, heat stroke, hot dry skin, nausea, headache, vomiting, delusions, temperature down, medical assistance. My friends, be responsible, but for goodness sake, enjoy the sun, and I'll speak to you soon.